Hey everybody, so this is Caitlin from StorySpeak Enterprises, and let's walk you through the Legacy Brand Leader Blueprint. So the Legacy Brand Leader Blueprint has 5 phases, and I believe no matter who you are or what business you're starting, you will go through these phases. So today you might be in a different phase, but you will have always started off with learning, right? Phase 1, you're learning about your concept, you're learning about business, you're learning about what it takes to do what you want to do. Then you move into planning. This is where you're going to put down all of the ideas and everything you've learned in phase 1 into the business plan, a business model, even maybe financial plans, everything into living documents that will grow and scale with your business. And this is a super important step that I see a lot of people actually skip because they keep it all in their head and they think, well, I just want to get results. I just am going to work with someone to tell me what to do. But if we skip this phase 2 of actually putting everything into these business plans and these living documents, what's going to happen is we're opening ourselves up to shiny object syndrome, because we're going to meet all these people who have all the answers for us and they're going to tell us what to do. And before you know it, we might be out of money because we spent a lot of money working with people. We don't have budgets and we're overspending, right? We hire vendors, we hired contractors because we wanted it done. So with a plan, what happens is you have the whole big picture from start to finish, from phase 1 to exit on your business plan. Okay. If you took the time to map out the vision on paper, you're able to act calmly and be a little more self-disciplined. So you're not just reacting to your ideas, but you're actually planning them, setting the budgets, setting the future organizational roles, creating the framework that will give you the space to become a fully supported CEO. So you're not building a cage around yourself. And so this is the most important phase, I believe. So even if you started a business plan or you might be farther ahead, we can always go back to this phase. The next is building phase. After we plan it, we're going to build. We implement it. We do things in real time. We're taking real time action. And then we replace. So when we replace, we're replacing ourselves with other people, the organizational roles that we knew we had to fill based on our plans, and technology. We're going to research, do a lot more research and test technologies. And what's great is because we already built the operations and the manual expectations for things that we can do as humans. And this is 3, when we replace ourselves with technology, instead of testing out and trying out multiple technologies and softwares that again promise results, instead of finding the right fit, we've already identified a fit. We already know what we need because we know what to do. We know why we need it. We know how it's going to be done. And so we simply have to research the right tool that has all the features and matches us exactly where we're at. So we're leading the process to find a tool. We're saving a lot of money and a lot of time because we're not settling until we find a tool that works exactly as we do in the building phase. Okay. So it's a lot like dating in this phase. And then we move to phase 5, which is exit. This is the phase where we really strategically implement our exit of the business and completely relinquish yourself of any oversight or responsibility for your business. In the exit stage, you're going to research and come up with a plan to help you approach investors or living will recipients who will steward your mission so it can live on without you and you can move on with your life, starting a new passion project.